Hello cloud experts. So in this course we are going to talk about AWS. AWS, which is Amazon Web Services. AWS is one of the leading cloud computing platform and ruling over the world. My name is Sanjay Kumar and I am a cloud trainer and consultant. So let's get started. Cloud computing is the biggest technology revolution around us, and this is changing the way how the IT infrastructure is being delivered, how services are being consumed. It is changing all the business models, whether old or new, and it is also defining how applications are being run and delivered and bringing in new opportunity for the businesses, whether small or big. And in this scenario, our data is stored somewhere in the cloud, which is like cloud-based services which are accessible from anywhere in the world. Now, why we need to learn AWS and who are the competitor to the AWS? AWS is one of the market leader for cloud computing, but the closest competitor what we have is Azure, Google Cloud and Alibaba. So let us understand where they stand in the cloud market. So if you look at this picture, the left side picture is called as Gartner Magic Quadrants. So in this case, the leaders quadrant have three companies, which is Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud. However, if you look at this, the right side of it, which is a report from Synergy Research Group, where AWS have 33% market share in the cloud market. When put together, the Amazon, Microsoft and Google have more than 50% market share of cloud computing. Now when we look at this, Amazon or AWS is the market leader for cloud computing from more than 10 years. Now, who should join this course? This course should be joined by everybody who want to start their AWS journey from scratch, who want to get a good overview of AWS services, who want to get started with using AWS services, and anybody who want to get started with AWS certification like AWS Cloud Practitioner or AWS Certified Solution Architect. However, a disclaimer here, this course may not be sufficient to clear exams like AWS Cloud Practitioner or AWS Certified Solution, but as of now, it is just a good way to get started with AWS. Any people in the mid-management level, sales professionals, or the people who want to know AWS at overview level, this course is a good starting point for them. Now, this is me, Sanjay Kumar, and I have around 18 plus years of experience in telecom, IT and cloud industry. I have 12 plus years of experience in training and teaching. I have trained more than 10,000 students in 50 plus countries. I am an AWS Certified Solution Architect and a cloud and AWS trainer and consultant. Now, learning AWS is a big road ahead. However, we are just at the starting point. However, to reach to the destination or to become an expert in AWS, it is long way to go, but somewhere we have to get started. So let's get started and see you inside the course.